Hello everyone, welcome to your channel ZDPI King. Today, Symbiosis National Aptitude Test 2024 paper we are going to solve, which was held on December 2024 itself. This paper is going to be solved by Ex-NIBM and CMAT 2021 topper itself. So let us discuss about it. From the 16th question onward, we have been solving with our individual video. As you can check out in our just YouTube channel, this YouTube channel also. So we have solved the previous question for this series of 35th question. Yes. So we solved previously 35th question. So you can see here the strategy, the approach we have followed in that. And even after this, you can see approach followed in 29th number of question. Okay, so that is the best approach. I think nobody will tell you that how we have to find out the next series, the tricks specifically to reduce your time to solve that specific question. So now 36 question we are going to solve, but analytical and logical reasoning, we will solve these things in our this ongoing series also. So here see, for the 36 number of question, how you have to solve. So for the 2nd October, if this is Monday, which day of the week will be 2nd November? So this thing you have to calculate. How you have to calculate that? For example, if 2nd October is your Monday, means what? That will be 9th also, that 16th, that 23, that 30. So 30th October will also be the Monday itself. Okay. Then October has 31 days. Then Wednesday will be on 2nd of November. So like this, hit and trial approach, you have to solve these things. There is no need of remembering any formula related to this, but simple strategy and simple your methodology to approach the question will help you to crack 95 percentile plus in the CMAT 2025. Thank you very much for joining us. That's all from my side. Make sure you join our various colleges based Telegram group given in the description and also the WhatsApp group given in the description. Thank you very much for joining.